Namaskar friends. Welcome to today's session of Neet Admission Faridabad. In this video, we will analyze round 1 cutoff of MCC 2024 Neet PG Counseling All India quota with last year 2023 round 1 cutoff. We will analyze the variation, that whether positive shift happened or negative shift happened. Before starting today's video, I would suggest you please subscribe the channel so that you receive all the notifications and counseling related updates on time. And if you want to avail paid services for counseling, you can contact us on the given number. We will guide you throughout the process. We will guide you right from registration till seat allotment. So let us start today's topic. See, we all were waiting since months to start the counseling, and now round 1 result is already out. We have round 1 result, we have round 1 cutoff. So if we start from radio diagnosis branch, so in 2023 in open category cutoff was 1872 rank, but this year in open category cutoff is 2125 rank. So there is a bit positive shift, in radio diagnosis. There is a bit positive shift what we have seen. If we talk about EWS category, so in EWS category there is a bit negative shift, like 0.5%. Like in 2023 cutoff was 4096, but in 2024 cutoff is 3972. But except EWS category, in every category cutoff is in positive shift in radio diagnosis branch. Like if we talk about OBC category, cutoff is 4333 rank. In SC category, cutoff is 12,946 rank, and in ST category cutoff is 24,792 rank. So all these cutoff is better, and there is a positive variation, positive shift in radio diagnosis branch in all India quota. So it's a good news for all students. Now if we talk about dermatology branch, so in dermatology for open category cutoff is 2639 rank. If we talk about EWS category, cutoff is 5956. Last year it was 5686. So there is a positive shift. In OBC category, cutoff is 5540 rank. In ST category, cutoff is 26,675 rank. Last year in ST category, cutoff was 33,378 rank in round 1. So there is a negative shift in ST category in dermatology. So this is very usual because seat matrix every year, seat matrix distribution every year is different in different categories. So definitely in some categories you will get positive shift, in some categories you will get negative shift, but overall 80% in 80% category, in 80% branch, there is a positive shift, what we have seen in this all India quota cutoff. If we talk about general medicine branch, so last year in open category cutoff was 4252 in round 1, but this year in round 1 cutoff is 3803. So that means there is huge demand, increment in demand of medicine branch, and cutoff went high, about around 5 to 7% cutoff went high in general medicine in open category. But if we talk about OBC category, so in OBC category cutoff is in positive side. In OBC category cutoff is 6428 in round 1. If we talk about OBC category general medicine, but in 2023 it was 5842. So there is a positive shift in general medicine OBC category. In ST category, cutoff is 34,452 this year in 2024, but last year it was 41,492. So there is a negative shift in ST category in general medicine branch. So in some category it is positive shift, in some category it is negative shift, but in overall in general medicine we have seen negative shift. If we talk about including every branch, if we talk about including every branch, so only in one category, like in OBC, what we have seen, that there is a positive shift. Otherwise in every category there is a negative shift. If we talk about pediatrics branch, so in pediatrics branch also in open category there is a negative shift. Last year it was 7201 in round 1, but this year it is 5907. So that means we have seen that the students are very keen and interested to take pediatrics department this year. and they are very inclined toward this department. So that is why they have put the options of pediatrics branch. And in open category, cutoff went high, that is 5,907 in round 1. If we talk about EWS category in pediatrics branch, there is a positive shift. Last year it was 9,266, this year it is 11,412. If we talk about OBC category, there is a positive shift, 11,080 in 2024. Last year it was 8,537. So there is huge positive shift in OBC and EWS category. In ST category, 47,628 is 2024 cutoff. Last year it was 44,667. So there is a overall positive shift, we may say, in pediatrics branch. Only in open category we have seen negatives. Otherwise, in every category in pediatrics branch there is a positive shift. If we talk about OBGY, in open category there is a positive shift, that is 9,071 rank in round 1. Last year it was 8,698, but this year it is 9,071. In EWS category there is a positive shift, 15,034. In OBC 13,805. So overall in OBGY there is a positive shift, what we have seen in OBGY. In orthopedics department there is a positive shift, we have seen in every category there is a positive shift. Like in open, last year 10,188 was the closing rank, this year it is 11,864. In EWS, last year it was 13,494, this year it is 16,505. So there is a huge positive shift in EWS category in orthopedics department. In OBC also there is positive shift, like 13,893 is the cutoff. And in SC category, last year 28,965 was the cutoff, and this year it is 32,117. So it's a good positive shift in orthopedics department. Till now we have seen negative shift only in medicine branch. Otherwise in every branch we have seen overall positive shift, including every category. Now it is very difficult to explain every category in a single video. So if you want to know anything about yourself, you may ask me on WhatsApp. I am just completing this video with general category options. So if we talk about psychiatry branch, so in psychiatry branch general category cutoff in 2024 is 17,823. Last year it was 15,782. If we talk about ophthalmology in open category, this year it is 15,076. Last year it was 16,738. So there is a negative shift in ophthalmology in open category. If we talk about general surgery, in general surgery in open category, 10,979 rank is the cutoff this year in round 1. And in EWS it is 16,995. So it is a good positive shift in comparison to last year. And last year it was 15,275. So there is a good positive shift. And in SC category also in general surgery there is a positive shift we have seen. 32,764 is the cutoff this year in 2024. If we talk about radiotherapy branch in open category, last year it was 19,598. This year it is 18,521. In ENT branch, last year it was 16,515. This year it is 15,351. So there is a negative shift in open category. In anesthesia, last year it was 20,806. This year in open category it is 19,138. So there is a negative shift in open category in anesthesia also. In emergency medicine, last year it was 9,858. This year it is 12,450. 12,450. So there is a good positive shift in emergency medicine branch because seats are increased this year in 2024. Seats have increased. So overall, I have given a basic information about the analysis of last year to this year. In general category, in some of the branches I have given about every category. So if you want to know anything about yourself, like particularly about yourself, your rank, your category, domicile and budget, that which college you will get, which branch you will get, you may WhatsApp me your query. I will try to explain your query in detail, and then after, if you want to take our paid services, you may do that. Namaskar.